Hello guys, how are you? I'm NAVJOT and today I'm going to unbox the new Honor Watch Magic. I bought it for rupees 6,000 from Amazon. I will also give the link to buy the watch in the description. So let's start with the unboxing. Unboxing. Guys, as you can see that the box is really very simple but very good. Let's open it. I have bought the moonlight silver color, but the lava black color is also available. Now, let's open the box. Come on. Here goes the watch. It looks very good. Now let's keep it aside and check out the other stuff in the box. This is the box where you'll get the charging dock and the wire. This is the charging wire and this is the magnetic charger. I will also show you how to charge the device. Here you will also get the instruction manual and the warranty card. You should surely read the instruction manual and keep safe the warranty card for future use. Now, let me show you the watch. Here it goes, guys. It looks pretty good, especially with the color silver and brown combination. I will tell you all the features of the watch. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe the video. Now, we will pair the watch with a smartphone. Now, open the Play Store and type Huawei Health. Here, you will find the app. Install the app. I've already installed it. Now, let's open it. Here, as you can see, Honor watch. This is my watch. This is connecting. You have to register or sign up in the app to use it. But I have already registered, so it didn't show me the option. Disconnecting. Oh, wait, guys. Let us switch on the watch till then. Long press the upper button to switch on the watch. It is turning on. It takes a quite while. Now it has got on. Now let's connect it. Now, like this, guys, it will get connected. As you can see here, you will get all the options to customize the watch here. Here you can see how much calories you have burnt. Here you will see how much distance you have traveled, and here are the steps. You can even customize the watch faces from the app. You have a lot of watch faces, just like I like this one. Put it on install. It is getting installed. It takes a while. Till then, let's see the smartwatch. Here it is. As you can see, it is having a leather strap and it is giving a very good impression on the first time. Here you can see the heart rate, weather, everything is available in here. You will get everything here only. The company claims 10-day battery life and 20-day standby. And for the people who don't know what standby is when we only use the watch for seeing the time. Just getting on. The theme is getting installed. It takes a while, but when it does, it looks pretty good. Very good quality watch. Here are the two buttons. I will explain the features of the button in the later part of the video. Now this has got installed. To check out all your watch faces, go here on the Mine tab. Now I had installed this one. This one got connected. Let me show you how it looks. See this, guys. This looks pretty good. Here it is. The day, date, time, everything is here. It looks very good. It is having a classical look, but with modern features. Now let me tell you the features of the watch. But before that, let me remove the phone. I will also show you how the watch looks on my wrist. One second. Here we go. See this, guys. Now I'll tell you the features. Here you can see the time, and this is the main screen of your watch. When you swipe down, when you swipe left, you will get your heart rate. When you swipe again left, you will get the weather. You cannot see the weather forecast, but you can surely see the current weather. Here are the steps, calories, and times you have used the watch. Here you go again. Now if you swipe down, you will get the no disturb button. This is the mode where when any message or call is received, it will not show any vibrations. Here the show time. When you click on it like this, screen always stays on for 5 minutes, which means that the screen will not get off for 5 minutes. Here is a find phone. Let me show you what the find phone does. See this?
I'm here. I'm here.
Like this. It got on.
I'm here.
Now let's keep it aside. Then here's the lock button. In the lock feature, you will not be able to use any of the features of the smartwatch, but you can surely use it to see the time. Like this. Like this. Now I can't go anywhere. And to exit this feature, long press the down button. The screen lock has been removed. Now you can go anywhere you want. Now next is the settings. In settings, you will find the display settings, do not disturb, system and about. Here you can even set the brightness, advanced features and the watch faces. Now, if you go down, you will see the messages. I have not received any messages yet. Now I'll show you how the call is received. You can cut the call from here but cannot pick because you are not having a mic and a speaker here. Let's cut the call. Here you will see the option to see the messages. You can on off the notifications from the app itself. Now I will tell you the build quality of the watch. The build quality of the watch is very good. It is tough but lightweight. It's having 2 buttons to turn on the watch. Just click the button and it will get on. To use the sport modes, click on the button like this and you will get all the modes here. When you click on a button, like one second, like if you want to do outdoor walk, click on the button, fasten your watch tightly in the position shown. Now it will show you everything you need to know about your walk. Like this. Now if you want to exit, the activity is paused. Here you can end the activity like this. Distance too short to be recorded and the workout. Yes. Remember, only if you do 5 minutes or more workout, the activity will be saved or it will not be saved. It is having a heart rate monitor which can monitor the heart rate 24/7, but it is not having the SpO2 button. So you cannot see the SpO2. Well, now you would have got to know that the watch gives a premium quality and is worth the money. Thank you for watching and make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, then please put it on the comment box below. Thank you. Please stay till the end of the video because I will be showing you how to charge Honor Watch Magic. I will show you how to charge the watch. This is a magnetic dock to charge the watch. And this is the wire. The wire is quite long and it has to be put on an Android adapter to charge the device. Now let me put the watch. Remember, if you put the watch in opposite direction, it will connect like this and this is wrong. When you put it right like this, it will connect like this. And here is the charging written. One second. Here like this the charging will be written and this means that your watch is getting charged. This is how you charge the watch. Thank you for watching and make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. Do not forget to check out my previous video on unboxing and review of Noise Color Fit Pro 2.